Hi, Grade Force. I'm going to just show you how to do a couple of these activities. So the first activity that you're going to have is you need to imagine that you are a settler who is moving to Alberta. You're either coming from Europe or you're coming from Eastern Canada, and you've been given a list of recommended items to bring, but there isn't enough space on the train that you're going to be taking to bring all of the items that you might need. So in this activity, you have 5 train carts, and there is a maximum amount of items that can be brought on each train cart, and you need to decide what you're going to bring. So I'm in the activity. I see that there's 20, 20, 20, 10, and 10. When I look at my items, for example, if I want to bring an outfit, it is 5 units. So I'm going to bring my outfit. I can put it into my 20. If I do that, I now have 15 left. So I could bring another outfit if I wanted to and just stack it on top. And that puts me at 10. And then maybe I want to bring a medicine kit. And so now I have 10 plus 5 plus 5. That totals 20, and this cart is full. And I need to continue to do that until I fill up all of my train carts. You can go under, but you can't go over.